Good morning. Good morning. Today I am here with a special purpose to talk with my students who are going to appear JEE Main and NEET exam in the month of September. देखो बच्चे लोग, हम लोग 2 साल 3 साल जिस एग्ज़ाम के लिए प्रिपेयर किए थे, जो एग्ज़ाम अप्रैल महीना में होने का था, जेईई मेंस पर्टिकुलरली, और नीट मई महीने में होने का था, ड्यू टू कोरोना सिचुएशन the exam was postponed. Many of serious students were losing their motivations. It was really difficult to maintain 100% motivation for a long period of time. Still, we teachers, the parents are trying to keep them motivating. Anyway, at the end, now it has been decided by Government of India that exams are going to commence as the schedule was announced last month. That is JEE month, that is JEE Main in the first week of September and NEET on 13th September. On the contrary, some students are very much happy that exam is going to happen, and on the contrary, some of the students or parents are feeling scary, feeling panic that what will happen if you go to exam center. In my belief, nothing big will happen, because everything is going as usual. If you go to the Kolkata city, you will not find less traffic there. I found it as usual. Traffic is normal, a restaurant is open, shopping mall is open, bar is open, train is open, bus is open, flight is running. Everything is going normal. I am not telling there is no risk factor. There is a risk factor. But what to do? If we keep inside home, we cannot sustain for a long time. Nobody denying there is no risk. There is a risk. But you need to take precautions and move on. Need to live with the COVID for long period of times until unless there is a proper vaccination or so. But as we prepare for 2 years, 3 years, we cannot lose our valuable years. Therefore, in my opinion, exam need to conduct, and it is important for the sake of students. Nothing to make it politics over that. Students' life is precious, I do understand that. But students, parents, go to exam center with lots of precautions. Try to maintain distance. Wear proper masks and gloves, and keep faith on God and remain calm. Hope everything will be all right. That's about the precautions and my opinion regarding whether exam should be conducted or not. I understand the feel of the students. When I talk with my students, I found that most of the students are crazy to write the exams. They want to write the exams, they want to finish it. They are unable to maintain their motivations. If further there is a postponement, I suppose these students will lose their motivation. And I am sure all serious students, all students who prepare this exam seriously, 99% of them are willing to write the exam at the earliest. I am damn sure regarding that. Even some of the students' parents are doctors. They are doctors at big brand hospitals. They are renowned doctors. Even when you talk with each other, these renowned doctors wants their kids to write their exams. Doctor says nothing will happen if you take precautions. But precious years for students cannot be lost. Therefore, students, don't get panic. Keep faith on God and you maintain your precautions and write the exams. It will be all right. Wish you good luck, my students. Don't get panic. Wear proper masks and use hand gloves and a sanitizer. Maintain social distance. Write your exams with 100% confidence. Give your best. You will do best. Good luck. Thank you.